Okay, we're going to show you how to set the limits for a sliding gate, okay? In case the gate is stuck and the motor is not working and you want to move your gate manual, you turn this one to manual position and you can push the gate easily, okay? When it's locked, you cannot push the gate. Now we're going to show you how to set the limits.
Okay, you need to push those buttons together till it beeps. You hold it till it beeps. Just like this. After it beeps, you can move the gate to position you need. So right now we're gonna put it, move the gate forward.
Now we're going to move the gate to the position that we need. Okay.
Okay, after we got the position we need, we push the button set close. After, we move the gate back to the open position.
And the set close are solid light, like it's supposed to be. And the set open is blinking because we didn't set it. Now we're going to set the gate to the position we need.
Okay, after we move the gate to open position that we need, we put the button set open.
That's it. Now both of them disappeared. It means that the gate it's set. Now you press close and the gate should be closed. First time it will go a little bit slower and after it will go faster.